Hello, my name's Fiona. I'm here in Budapest in the Helvetic Clinic. My story is I needed some work done on my teeth. I sort of investigated in England and on the internet, and I came to the Helvetic Clinic. They were amazing. They took a CT scan of my teeth and they just pointed out areas that teeth that were cracked, any infections, that type of thing, which was a very holistic approach. It was really useful to me. They were incredible because I was very much reassured that they wanted to keep as many of my teeth as possible, and it wasn't so much aesthetic that they were looking at. It was literally, how do we save these teeth from in the future having infections and having to be pulled out. So yeah, the journey was, as you come to the clinic, you are partnered with somebody who can speak your language, and they very clearly explain all the treatments that are required. And I thank Steph very much for that. He was amazing. And the dentist that I was put with, and again, you were with the same dentist, was incredible. Not only was she expert, very, very professional, she was able to very kindly and very gently take me through the procedures, because they're not always comfortable, but I felt safe. Budapest is a beautiful place. I felt very safe here, and there's lots to do, but also there's a hotel attached to the clinic, so that was just amazing. You get picked up at the airport, so everything is done to accommodate you and help you to transition with your treatment. And yeah, I've had the most amazing treatment. I feel I've got my smile back, and I'm just so delighted and so grateful for all the kindness that has been shown in the clinic, and here are my teeth. Thank you.